Karen stormed into Clay Haven, berating the owner, Mia, for selling flimsy ceramics. Her voice echoed, accusing Mia of scamming customers. She smashed a vase to prove her point, shards flying, customers gasping. Mia, struggling to keep her small business afloat, pleaded for calm, but Karen's tirade escalated, toppling a shelf in her fury. The destruction felt personal, each crash a stab at Mia's livelihood. Suddenly, a soft-spoken elderly woman, Mrs. Lila, emerged from the crowd. A regular, she revealed Karen had bought discounted, already cracked pieces, demanding refunds after breaking them intentionally. The crowd turned, murmurs of outrage rising. Mia, emboldened, offered Karen a deal. Keep the damaged goods for free, but leave. Karen, smug, accepted, thinking she'd won. Days later, she tried reselling the ceramics online, only to be exposed by Lila's viral post detailing her scam. Orders canceled. Karen's reputation crumbled. The shop thrived. Mia's honesty celebrated. Karen, shunned, faced the bitter truth. Her greed shattered more than vase it broke her standing in a community that valued integrity.